Hello family, welcome back to the channel, home of the RC community and home of the Patreon that offers the most value out there. Okay, if you're interested in the Patreon, the links will be in the description and in the comments. And as you see over here, you get my portfolio guidance, you get general support, which means that if you want to get self-educated, okay, that's what general support is for. I'm there to self-educate you, okay, because we know that we're not getting that out into the conventional educational crypto space. And you also get the buy and sell trade alerts, and you get the Discord access where you get to go talk to like-minded individuals. Now, a lot of individuals also want to know, why do I not have like a public Discord where a lot of individuals can talk at? And one of the reasons why is because a lot of the things that we talk about on the Patreon, okay, such as new projects, new projects, new startup companies, everything that we talk about, we also share it in the Discord. So for individuals that be in the Discord, I've had a couple individuals that got into the Discord and only paid like 1 month for the Patreon, and they were getting some individuals were, I kind of weeded out who it was, but it was some individuals that was getting free, and these are individuals that still end up getting new projects. Okay, they still ended up getting new projects, although they had stopped paying. Okay, because we were sharing all of that stuff in the Discord. So that would not be fair to individuals that's paying every month, because if that's the case, they'd be like, well, why don't I just stop paying the Patreon and just hang out in the Discord, and then I can just get the projects there. So everything that we talk about in the Patreon, we do share in the Discord, and that's why the Discord is only accessible if you get join a Patreon. But I am thinking of making a second Discord also for individuals to hang out, just regular cryptos, individuals just to hang out. Okay, so I will keep individuals updated on that. But anyway, those links will be in the description, as well as the links for the merch. Okay. Um, so the thing is this right here. If we look at the charts, okay, we are going kind of on a run right now. Look at this right here. Now I'm going to zoom in right here. All right, and we're also going to talk about something else, because I want to talk about something else as far as I've seen individuals making something about Saitama being a meme coin and coin market cap, making a poll and all of that stuff. And I'm just going to give you the rundown on that. But if we look here, okay, look at this right here. All right, we're having heavy buying pressure. Okay, we're having heavy buying pressure. Look at the buys versus the sales. Okay, look at this big buy right here, and then look at this small sale, and then they matched it over here, and then we had another a sale, and then another big buy, and look at these small sales. We having more big sales. Okay, we're having more big sales. Okay, and then the small buys, and this is good. And as we can see right here, we're headed up on an uptrend of green, and that's why you're seeing right here. Look, when those holders start to come in, and the holders are being updated here on Dex tools also. All right, when you see this start getting strong right here, and I told y'all, we're going to hit that 70K mark soon. We're probably going to hit it in the next day or two. We may hit it in the next 2 days, because we're averaging about 3K holders a day, or like 35K holders. 3,500 K holders a day. We're averaging that. So as this holder count becomes strong, you see right here, look at the chart right here. The chart is continuing to get strong, and as we see right here, we're starting to go on a run again. Now, I made a video, okay, about when we were down at like the 3-2 range. Now we're at the 3-4 range. So do not be surprised if we go on a run. Okay, we're actually going on a run, but don't be surprised if we go on a bigger run. Okay, we're going to hit that 30. We're going to hit that 35, that 2035 mark range. And if we look over here, let's see what we got over here. Look at Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Is that Bitcoin? Look at Bitcoin right here. So we got Bitcoin still trending, okay, at 20K. All right, and we have Ethereum still trending at 1100, and we already know that the market is going to be going on a downtrend. Okay, and if we look at other projects, and look, y'all, these are good projects. Okay, these are projects that individuals should be doing their research on, and actually putting money into. Do your research first before putting your money into this. And look at Sheeb. Sheeb is actually going on a run also. Sheeb has actually been doing their own thing also, regardless of what the market is doing. And Sheeb is actually one that I was hoping would stay low, because I've been adding Sheeb to my portfolio on their dips. But Sheeb has been kind of fluctuating, eating at zero here and there. All right, but if we look at the market, okay, the market is not, Saitama is not following the market. Saitama is doing their own thing. Look at this buy right here. We have another big buy, or we have another small buy right here. Look, that's 3 in a row right there, okay? So if we look over here, look at this. We're going to zoom out of this. Look, we're going up, up, and up. Okay, now I know that this is our all-time high, but the thing is this right here. This all-time high is not sustainable. Okay, this is not known for projects to always be up here in the all-time high. It's going to come back down. Okay, and when it comes back down, it's going to start fluctuating, and you're going to get some little tedious buy and sell pressure here. Okay, so we have to understand that this is not sustainable here. When we look at marks like this right here, when we look at these marks right here, and these little mid marks right here, all right, that's how you know. That's what you want to see. You want to see, you want to see them, right? You want to see this chart trying to fluctuate up towards the average marks, okay, or above the average points of the chart. Okay, the more sustainable points of the chart. Now, as we can see here, okay, we're breaking through, the average. We're kind of breaking through like the average consolidation point up here, and we're getting up into some more reasonable points. We're not below. We're not like all the way down here, all right, or lower like down here. We have risen ourselves up. So as we look, this was one of our lows down here, right? This was one of our lows. Let me bring this over here. This was one of our lows, and look how steady this chart has been. This has been a healthy chart right here, okay? So look, when you see a lot of the critics out there talking about this is continuing to dump and all of that, they're not continuing to dump, okay? They're not continuing to dump. Look at this. This right here is a good chart right here. It's a good chart, okay? How can you not like this right here? All right, so this is a good chart, and look, individuals should still continue to do their research, because I see a lot of individuals out there also, okay, they're saying that they're losing money and all of that stuff. Do your research, okay? Do your research and don't just invest in anything. Now, another thing that I'm saying also is, there were individuals talking about. There were some individuals talking about how CoinMarketCap made a poll saying which is the best meme coin and all of that stuff, and they had Saitama on there. Now, of course, the critics took that and ran with it. All right, they took that and ran with it. Of course, what else do they have to run with? They don't have much else to run with. That's why you're starting to see less negative content on Saitama. Believe it or not, the footer video numbers are actually down from their all-time highs. They're actually down. All right, but of course, look, how can we sit up here, right, and criticize CoinMarketCap? How can we sit up here and criticize CoinMarketCap, okay, when they do not update a lot of the numbers, okay? But we sit up here, the critics sit up there and praise them. They sit up there and praise them, okay, when they make little rinky-dink polls like that. And I guess critics assume that they're taking a shot at Saitama. I don't think that they're taking shots at Saitama. I just believe it's a poll. All right, I believe it's a poll that they wanted to put up there. I don't think that it's something they read too much into. They just threw it out there. Okay, but at the same time, Saitama is not a main project. Okay, and I don't believe that CoinMarketCap meant to do it as taking a shot at. I don't think they meant to post that as a means of taking a shot at Saitama. Okay, now the thing is this also. All right, Saitama is not a meme, but at the same time, you know, since when does CoinMarketCap get a lot of things right? Okay, since when does CoinMarketCap ever have consistent credibility like that? Since when? All right, they're not known to have consistent credibility with a lot of things that they do. So the fact that a lot of the critics are reaching uh, because of this whole poll situation, that says that they're running out of content, flooding content to create, and it is also says that okay, their recycled content that they're continuously dropping is drying up. Okay, come on, we're talking about CoinMarketCap here. All right, so look, I wanted to make this video. The charts is looking strong. We could be about to go on a run. For individuals that still haven't gotten their airdrops, just be patient. You will be receiving your airdrops. Okay, I'm still getting inboxes every single day of happy individuals that are receiving them. Okay, and yeah, you just have to have patience. Okay, so this is my video. Remember, every now will be history tomorrow. All right, and you either have patience in this crypto investing space or you lose in the end. You don't want to be a loser. This is my video, and I will catch you all on the up and up. Howdy.